So this is Team Desert Scorpions. Our project idea is called the legal red flag, or more like a legal contract clause analyzer. We've highlighted the problem that the average population doesn't really have the adequate knowledge about law to handle with complicated and uh, law vocabulary heavy contracts. So what we've tried to do is we've solved that using our AI model that functions with two classifiers. One is the zero shot classifier and the other is the distill BERT that we have trained on cord dataset. We have risk engines and suggestion engines as well, which tell you which clause in a particular contract has higher risks and gives you suggestions on how you can improve that clause. So right now we are going to run the app.py file, which has our API that will run both our web page and our extension. So our API is running. Now this is a sample contract. Now I'll just refresh this page. I'll refresh my extension. I'll refresh the page. Now I'll go here. I'll click on the extension and I'll click analyze this page. Now as you can see, my API has started to extract all the clauses one by one, and it's going to generate a response based it's going to classify them, give a confidence score, and then it's going to basically do this for all the clauses, and then it's going to show up on my screen on the browser. So as you guys can see, it has generated a response on every single clause, and this is basically the amount of high risk clause that we have. This is a status bar which is showing all the number of clauses, different different types based on their risk intensity. We have 7 high risk clauses, 21 medium risk clauses, and 11 low risk clauses. Each of them is color coded and highlighted over here. As you can see, if we click on it, we can also scroll down on the panel on the right. It is showing us what the type of clause is. As here you can see, this is a liability clause, and then the liability part is mentioned, and there's also a suggestion mentioned as well. And the bar over here, the status bar, this shows the confidence level. So basically both the models, they together combine and they generate a combined response which tells how confident they are that this particular clause is a liability clause. So this is our UI. As you can see, it's pretty responsive, right? And these are all the highlighted clauses, and the part that is highlighted is the actual part of the clause that has the problem, that that causes it to be a high risk clause or a medium risk clause. And this is the right side panel, which is showing us suggestions and the clause and the type. So this is all for the extension. Now we also have, according to the user's convenience, we have both the systems. We have the extension as well, and then we have this web page as well. If we just put a sample contract, for example, I have one here. This is a sample contract.txt, and if we just analyze this, it will do this for us. We should see it running in the terminal here. Yeah, it's running. The API is running right now. So this is a different one than we used in the extension. This one only has 11 clauses, I think. Yeah, this one only has 11 clauses, and it's just going to classify them, generate an output, and then it's going to show us on the page. So as you can see, it has generated the responses. It evaluated on 11 clauses. It depicted 5 high risk clauses, 3 medium and 3 low risk. You can scroll down to each clause, right, and then you can use this drop feature to get the flags, so this flag system, this is basically highlighting what the risky part is of the clause. Then there are suggestions as well, right? There's a type of clause, and then there's a risk score, right? And then there are the issues. So basically, why is it risky? Why is the particular clause risky? It highlights that, the issues. And then there's the suggestion as well, right? And then we have similar clauses as well that we fetch from the MAUD dataset, and this is done for every single clause. That's it. Thank you.